Hello guys, welcome to my channel AK Mechanical Lecture. Today I have brought new updates regarding Ph.D. admission in NIT Patna. NIT Patna has given notification for Ph.D. admission for event semester January-June 2023 during the session 20 to 23 under full-time, part-time, sponsored scheme and selection for GRF SRF position for externally funded project currently at NIT Patna. You can apply here at for architecture and planning, civil engineering, computer science and engineering, electrical engineering, electronics communication, mechanical, chemistry, humanity and social sciences, mathematics, physics. These all departments have further various areas. You can choose your interested areas in which you have master preferably. You select that and apply according to that. You can also select uh, different areas if you have some knowledge about that, because in interview they will ask you about a question from that. For admission in particular department, candidate must qualify for GATE and NET in that particular discipline. Applicants are also allowed to pursue multidisciplinary research work from above areas. For multidisciplinary research, applicant should fill application form for the department in which he has GATE or NET score. After selection, a co-supervisor will be allocated to support or collaborate research in relevant multidisciplinary areas. GRF SRF for externally funded project running at the institute will be selected through this process. Categories. First category, full-time PhD programs with research assistantship. Here you will get direct financial support from government or semi-government agencies such as CSIR, UGC, DST, Department of Atomic Energy, etc. Full-time sponsored employee of PSU, government department, R&D organization, industry of repute, faculty of educational institution and a sponsored defense personnel with minimum 2 years of experience may be considered for admission as a sponsored full-time research scholar. Here sponsored applicant will be eligible for admission if they are treated by their employer as on deputation with their full salary and allowance and are relieved from their organization or institute for completion of PhD program. Means if organization will considered as on deputation by providing full salary, then he has to be relieved from that organization. And this GATE NET qualification is exempted for a sponsored candidate. But they have to submit NOC from their employer and shall be considered against supernumerary seats and shall not be counted against open seats notified for admission to program. A sponsored candidate will not get any fellowship or assistantship. Part-time sponsored employee of PSU or government department, research, development organization, industry of repute, educational institution faculty, employee under MOU, a sponsored defense personnel, etc. A sponsored candidate are exempted from NET GATE qualification. Means if you are applying for part-time also, then this GATE and NET will not require, but they should possess the minimum entry qualification fixed by the institute as per eligibility criteria for part-time program. This academic qualification will be same for both full-time and part-time, but GATE is mandatory for full-time but not for part-time. In full-time also GATE NET will be compulsory for whom who will want to get fellowship. This candidate will be exempted from appearing at screening test for admission. They have to only appear for interview to assess their knowledge required in the field of their research. For coursework, the part-time candidate will have to do as a regular. Such candidate will not be appear for eligible for any institute research assistantship. Also, there is the third scheme for PhD program under Visvaraya PhD scheme for electronics and IT, sponsored by MITI, Government of India, for semester January to June. The branches who can apply electronic system design and manufacturing, and IT or IT enabled services for IT sector. In this, you will get number of full time PhD candidates, means total 3 seats are there under this scheme. JRF SRF working at NIT Patna. JRF SRF who fulfilling the eligibility criteria and are working in any externally funded research project running in the institute, provided that such project must not have less than 1 year till tenure left on the date of registration in the program, are eligible for admission to PhD program. Such candidate have to submit one NOC from his PI a project, and they have to require to attend normal duty assigned by them by the PI of research project and attend classes to complete the coursework requirement. He will not eligible for any institute assistantship even after completion of research project. Such admission will be taken against supernumerary seats only, and he will be guided for by PhD regulation of institute. Some institutes are giving fellowship also if the project is of 3 years, and after project completion 1.5 year fellowship will be given by that institute also, like NIT Rourkela is giving, and some also I think IIT Guwahati also giving. Fifth category, non-PhD regular faculty and faculty appointed on consolidated salary of NIT Patna can be admitted to PhD program as a part-time candidate to doctoral program against supernumerary seats, provided they fulfill minimum eligibility criteria of qualification. Selection for JRF and SRF. There are sufficient number of additional positions for JRF SRF in externally funded project currently under execution at the institutes. Who fulfill the minimum eligibility criteria will have to appear for selection for JRF SRF position through interview of this process. Those candidates who could not qualify written exam may also appear for JRF SRF position through interview. See admission schedule for PhD program in semester. This is the seat matrix. EC department total 11 seats there. Electrical 5, CSE 11, Civil 4, Mechanical 4, Architecture and Planning 4, Mathematics 4, Physics 4, Chemistry 4, Humanity and Social Sciences 3. So total 54 seats are there. Reservation process also followed here. Minimum qualification: ME, MTech or MArch or M planning with 6.5 CGP or 60% marks. If you have, then you can apply. Or if you have BE, BTech, MCA, MSc, MCom, MBA or MA with 60% marks or 6.5 CGPA with valid GATE score, UGC NET score or CSIR NET score, then also you can apply. All candidates have to require to produce that score, like GATE score, UGC NET score, CSIR NET score. Sponsored candidates are exempted. Reservation process will be followed. Admission process and other details like important dates where it is given. First, during written test they will conduct one screening test of full marks 100, and that will be of the syllabus for that written test will be of GATE exam. Syllabus for written screening test will be syllabus of GATE NET exams of respective discipline. After that, interview will be conducted. After interview, they will select the provisional list who will get admissions. What are the important dates? This is the fee. PhD regular have to pay 42,950 at the time of admission. The last date 7 December. Display of list of eligible candidates for admission test on institute website 8th of December 2022. Admission test 18th December. Then result will be published on 19th. Interview will be taken from 20 to 22nd December. Then merit list will be published on 26th December 2022. First semester registration then starts from 29th December to 2nd of January. Then classes will start from 5th of January. So that's all about today's update. Share it with your friends. Subscribe the channel if you are visiting my channel first time for all latest upcoming updates. Thank you. Have a nice day.